Good morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you what I am making for breakfast. It is a Monday morning, and so we want something quick yet filling, and wonderful way to have a filling breakfast would be to make something like pancakes or waffles, but I'm going to do this the quick way. So I'm going to make some sheet pan pancakes today with some eggs and some potatoes for breakfast. So let's get started. I'm going to start by milling 2 cups of soft white wheat. Okay, so to my bowl I've added all the typical pancake ingredients. I have my flour, my salt, my baking powder, my baking soda. I used sugar for my sweetener. So I'm just going to pull this together. Again, this is a quick and easy way to make something filling, but you don't have to spend all morning in the kitchen flipping pancakes. Best practice is to do this in a separate bowl. You can add vanilla here for added flavor and depth. However, I am out of vanilla. I'm waiting for my homemade vanilla to finish up, so I'm out of vanilla for the meantime. Adding about 3/4 of a cup. I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Something I don't do very often, but we have some milk we need to use up, so I'm putting it in here. Now this is just your base pancake recipe. You can put whatever filling or toppings you want in here. Alright, this looks well incorporated. I'm going to put it to the side and get my tray ready. So this is what I'm going for. So you can put this on a sheet pan, but that's not something that I have. So I'm just going to use a basic casserole dish. Since I'm using a casserole dish, my bake time might be a little bit longer, but while the pancakes are baking, I can work on something else. As always, you want to make sure that you properly grease your pan. So I'm putting a generous layer of butter on the bottom of my pan. My oven is preheating to 400 degrees. And for easier cleanup, you could use parchment paper here if you'd like, but I'm going to skip that for now. Okay, so I've greased my bowl. Going to add some chocolate chips in. Just going to add some more at the top. Okay, so this is ready for the oven. I'm going to put this in to bake. Alright, the next thing I'm going to work on is some potatoes to complement or to go with the pancakes. So I've already peeled them and washed them, so now I'm just going to cut them into chunks so that it will be easier to fry them up. By the time my pancakes are finished in the oven, these will be finished as well. Alright, so this is now ready for frying. Alright, so the last thing we're going to make to go with our breakfast today is a quick smoothie. So I'm just putting some frozen strawberries in my blender along with some water, and you can sweeten with sugar, honey, maple syrup, whatever you like. I'm making two versions today. Alright, so I'm also making a blueberry version, so let's do that. This one is a mix of the two. Alright everybody, it's time to eat. Here's my sheet pan pancakes. I made some eggs and some potatoes to go with it. I just need to put a drizzle of maple syrup on here. And now it's ready. Breakfast made easy. So if you've stuck around this long, thanks for being here. Thanks for always supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything I did today, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section. I appreciate interacting with all of you, and by interacting with my content, you're letting the algorithm know that you like to see this kind of content. So once again, thanks for being here at For Your Heart and Home. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.